Are Get messages not working properly on Pinterest Lite app? If you are not receiving notifications, messages aren't appearing, or the related notification settings aren't working correctly, it can make it difficult to keep up with conversations. So in this video, I will show you how to fix Get messages on Pinterest Lite. The first thing you have to do is to go to Pinterest Lite. As you see, here, you will click on Pinterest Lite. Then here in this window, you will go to Profile. After that, in this page, you will move to Settings. Then here in this window, you will go to Notifications. And after that, here you will find Messages. So you will tap here to enable it and to fix this problem. So please don't forget to press that bell icon.